Massage on.
Okay, massage on.
The Ador 3D Allure massage chair has a variety of massage techniques. 3D massage technology allows the user to control the length of the rollers. The SL track works with the computer body scan to fit to the shape of the back. 3 stages of zero gravity offer various levels of recline. Only 2 inches are needed from the wall. Ador has developed the next generation of air massage technology. Shoulders, arms and hands, calf kneading and foot massage. Calf and foot rollers provide a smooth kneading style massage. The Allure offers 21 different special auto massage programs, dial controller, and quick controller. 2 heating pads are placed in the lower back to loosen up the muscles. Bluetooth connection, wireless charger. Footrest can extend up to 6.5 inches. Make your quality of living better. 3D Allure. Ador.